Good afternoon, everybody. My name's Gary Stebbins with Promess Incorporated.
Hey guys, it's Adam from Promess. Good morning, everyone. I'm John Kraus from Promess Incorporated.
We're here demonstrating our technologies, introducing new products to our customers, as well as talking to our visitors to the booth to see what kind of technologies they're looking for in their applications and how Promess can apply what we have to help them resolve their issues, meet their challenges, improve their quality, and whatever challenges that they're faced with.